Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check or see your TikTok watch history. This is a very simple thing to do, but if somehow you don't know how to get it, then please keep watching this full video, and after that you will be easily see your TikTok history at your devices. So before we get started, if you are still not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now scroll it up until you see a option activity center. Simply tap at here. Now page my screen, you can see a very first option watch history, and on the bottom you can see comment history, search history, recently delete, manage post visibility, and simply you should type at watch history, and like this you can easily check out your watch history at your TikTok account. I hope you like this. If you do like so, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.